Oh no, what happened to my Barbie? Well, I'll tell you in a while. Anyway, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Well, I'll start this episode by telling you that I found this pre-loved Barbie online and it was very affordable. Well, the package arrived April 30, and I was so excited to unbox this very beautiful Barbie. Well, I was busy that day, so I just left the Barbie in my bed, and here's where tragedy struck. But first, let me take you back 6 months ago. Do you remember my episode about the dog that we found outside our house? She was so small compared to her siblings, and she was so weak, and she had a lot of disease and some wounds because of the bullying. But in spite of all her problems, the dog remained so positively playful and happy. So we named her Happy and we took her to the vet. We gave her all the medicines prescribed by the vet and gave her tender, loving care, plus numerous visits back to the vet. And here is an update of Happy after 6 months. Yeah, she's beautiful right now. But on that fateful day, she was able to set herself free, and here's what she did. But don't worry, I'm not angry with Happy, and here's what I did to solve the problem. Do you remember my fake Barbie which I removed from my collection? I replaced her head with the new Barbie. And after doing some magic tricks on her, here's what she looks like now. And I decided to give her the country Canada. And with her very articulated body, she's perfect for stop motion. Well, my friends, till here, GBU, TC always, and I love you all.